And here he says 3 experts destroy coronavirus lockdown hoax. I believe it. Let's see what else he's got on there. It is time for Trump to take over, and he's not doing it very well. Pentagon confirms Democratic Party operates Communist Chinese fifth column. I don't know about that, but I do know the Democratic Party is not pro our freedoms and our rights. Plot to overthrow Trump by Obama deep state confirmed. Hawaii becomes China bans protesters. Huh. Hawaii's become more and more liberal. It's unfortunate. We're going to end it there. I think that's enough. We do one last shot here. State pushes for mandatory citizen tracking reopened. That's bad news. Real bad news. But some states are stupid enough to do it. You got to stand up and fight it. We'll do one other thing here. The gross inaction of AG Barr. I think there's a lot there. I don't think he wants to really fight. I've been concerned about that a long time. Globalist thug Bill Gates says economic collapse inevitable. They want an economic collapse worldwide. We're going to end it there. It's Roger Mark from Billings, Montana. Stand up and fight, learn what's going on, or be rolled over. The war goes on. Good day. Coronavirus weapon program. Fauci caught running Wuhan coronavirus weapon program. Wow. 2 days ago by Alex Jones. You never get this anywhere else. I knew the guy was a deep state player, but that is big, big news. It's nothing you're going to hear on mainland kingdom of lies built upon faulty models. There is Bill Gates. And an October surprise, I don't know, but we always know that they plan for October surprise of markets and so forth. That wouldn't surprise me. We're going to end it here. We got to get to work in a half an hour. So here goes. Here's more information on Infowars.com. Stuff you will never see anywhere else. Good day. All right, so this is the truth that not enough people are talking about. This is May 6th. This is Infowars. They want to make social distancing a permanent part of our lives. We can't let them do this to us. That's the fact that we got to face. Close the beaches in Venice. It's crazy. The war is on. What are we going to do? We're going to stand up for our rights, or we're going to continue losing them. You got to decide what you're going to do. It's Roger Mark from Billings, Montana. I say no. I know, but hell no. We're not going to close things up. It's stupid. Why should they arrest people? It's wrong. It's abridgment of our amendments. It's an abuse of amendments. It's abuse of power and it's abuse of authority, government-wise, and civil-wise, and constitutional-wise. Period. It's Roger Martin from Billings, Montana. That's what I'm saying. I'm sticking to it. Let's see if there's anything else on Infowars.